Hello guys, this is a multiple linear regression model, and for multiple linear regression model you know that the equation for it is y is equal to m1 x1 till mn xn. So here I have used wave energy converters dataset, so you can find out the dataset in the description I provided for you. So in this dataset we have to predict total power output of farm from 16 positions of wave energy converters. So in attributes we have longitude, latitude, and power of wave energy converters. So this is the size of the data, and this is the shape of the data. So our data does not have any categorical values, and we also don't have any null values in our data. Okay, so let's here x is our feature variable and y is a target variable, which is power all, and all our attributes except from power all are features for our model. So here I've split our data into training and testing data. So I've give test size is equal to 30%. So here I've used four models: linear regression, ridge, lasso, and elastic net. So ridge, lasso, elastic net are basically regularization techniques. So you can see the accuracy for all the models. There is no very difference between them. So this is the value for M for each feature columns. So this is our regression line for actual versus predicted. So you can see here that our data does not have any outliers, and it is completely, our regression line is also very completely fit in our data. And you can see a R2 score for our data set, which is 99%. And here I have dumped our model into a pkl file. So using model.predict, you can predict the total power output of the farm. So here I have given 2D array in which I have provided 48 feature inputs. So here our total power output of the farm is coming 7247.14. So you can provide various inputs to your model. So I provided this code in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.